Welcome to Best Sunbeds, your trusted partner in the tanning industry. With over a decade of expertise, we provide everything you need to start and grow your tanning business. From state-of-the-art equipment to personalized business solutions together, we're here to elevate your salon to the next level. In this series of videos, we'll guide you through the essential steps to ensure your salon success. Opening a tanning salon, what you need to know, a pre-installation checklist, room size and space requirements. Adequate space is essential for both comfort and the proper functioning of the sunbed. A minimum of 50 km should be left in front of the unit for customers to change and feel at ease. Ensure at least 25 km of space on either side to accommodate the sunbed. The perfect size room for laydown should be 305 km x 305 km. For vertical models, a ceiling height of 250 km or more higher is recommended. If space is limited, consult with the supplier for compact models. Proper room sizing ensures ease of use and customer comfort. Electrical setup. Sunbeds require a specific electrical configuration depending on whether your facility operates on single-phase or three-phase power. For three-phase power, a 32 A-Type-C MCB fuse and a 32 A rotary isolator are required. For single-phase power, a 65 A-Type-C MCB fuse is needed. Additionally, each sunbed must be connected to a 63 amp rotary isolator switch. Having the correct electrical setup is vital to prevent delays during installation and avoid extra charges. Ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial to maintain optimal air quality and prevents overheating. Each sunbed requires a 300 mm hole in the wall, as well as the 300 mm collar for hot air to be vented out, alongside a sufficient supply of fresh air into the room. Additionally, trimming the doors by 5-7 km helps with airflow. Adequate ventilation not only maintains the temperature, but also prolongs the lifespan of the equipment. Installing sunbeds doesn't have to be stressful. Proper preparation is key. Make sure you watch every video in this series to cover all the crucial points on your installation checklist. Best Sunbeds, your partner in creating the perfect tanning salon. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more expert tips.